Everything is fine, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi, everything fine.
Yes, everything is fine.
Code of the dot is right? I symbol, number, sequence, zero total. Slash alt, page slash. PH block, right? PH each. Okay, good. I colon dollar symbol, number, sequence, zero, page, total page. Spelling also will be mistake, guys. Okay, then it will not work.
Can you take in place of total page only,
Yeah, it's
please?
coming. See this, what I'm taking now here. What? See here, page I'm taking previously. This is not page, guys. This is the pages, right? Everyone.
Yes.
So now,
Yes,
okay.
Ravi, correct, correct.
Okay, so see, come here, right? Come here. See this two dynamically. What is that? Two, right? One and two pages are there, right? On the second, three record is there, right? Second pages. After that, nothing is there, guys. Don't worry. I will stop this one. Okay. So here, see this previous means what? See, four and five record. Second page is there. Now next one. If you click on that, see four and five. If you click on the one, see one, two, three. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi,
Yes.
correct.
Now,
You are getting.
if you are clicking two, right? See, two, four, and five we are getting, right? If you are clicking what one, then what one, two, three record we are getting.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
Now
This is
Yes,
what
sir.
okay.
expected.
Got it.
If you click next, right, then what? See this four and five record you are getting. If you are clicking previous, then what is that one, two, three you are getting? We will get the record, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Mm.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
na. But the question is what?
yes, yes.
Yes,
But
sir.
the question is what? Whenever we are there in on what one, right? One, two, three. After that, nothing is there. Nothing previous is there. Then what?
Previous
Not,
not shown.
then what is that?
Yeah.
Then previous button we don't have need to show it, right? We have need to hide this previous button, right? Come on, everyone.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
yes.
are on first page.
Correct.
Yes,
Right, Ravi.
sir.
If we are there on the second page, then what will what our
Next,
we have
next not
Next,
visual.
next should be
Next
disabled.
not.
yeah disable,
Next
right?
should,
See guys, just dynamically only here only we seen that because of that based on that I'm going to implement it. Okay, everyone.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Ravi, correct, correct. Right.
Okay, so
When we go for page number 1.
let's implement it. Okay, are you ready to implement it now?
Yes,
Yes, Ravi, ready.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yes, sir.
okay, so now come to our what new alignment is there, right? Li is there. Now come here. Okay, so what we will do now? Th colon. th colon, we will write the if condition here. If condition. In the if condition, what we will do now, guys? So here what? Equal to, now we have need to dollar symbol, right? Dollar symbol to point what? The particular things. Okay, so here what we will do now? Inside that, we will take the page inside that, what is that? Come to our slice class, right?
That has previous.
Yeah, has previous. This method
Has
is just
previous.
copy this one and come here. Okay, just paste it. After then, what we will do now? This one will be in the information. Now copy this one. Now class, right? This one is what? Like a page link, right? Inside that li. Okay, come here. Now paste it here next. Just take the next. Already next button. Next is there, right?
Is next. Is next.
Okay, is next is there. Is next. Has next there, madam. What are you talking about? That is.
Sorry. Is next. As next.
Okay, so now come to our browser now, guys. Okay, come to our browser now. Okay, so now just what I'm going to do now. See, come to our what? Secondary card. See, guys, next one is hide it now, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Come to our one, right? See, this next is there, but previous is gone.
Yeah.
Like our Google page, how our Google page is working like that. Our application also working or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's fine.
See this 1 minute. But India again, I'm searching, right? Okay, this much record is there, right? Previous button is not there. See this here, previous is there? No, no. Because we are there in the first
Previous
page.
not there.
Because we are there in the first page. Come on, everyone.
In the first page.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
If we go on the second page, then what will happen now? Previous button also will come here,
Previous came.
right? See this. Now go down. Previous scheme, right?
Yes.
Come on, everyone, give the
Yes.
reply.
Yes, sir.
So same things, right? Here, what is that? We are there on the first page, right? So what previous button is not there. If you go to the second page, previous is came, right?
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
It's fine.
Okay, so now one more thing. Okay, so what I'm still some data I'm putting here, right? Contact. See this? Okay, if we are there in the second page, what see this? Because previous also there and the next also there, right? Because we are there in the second page. After then the card is there. After then the card is there. But if we go on the third page, see this? Next is gone.
Next is the
If you come back to water,
Yes, next not there.
second and previous, next is came
Second.
back. Now if you come to what first one, right? See this previous is gone. And regard also observe it 1, 2, 3, 4. If we go to second page 4, 5, 6, right? If we go to what third page 7, 8. See this 8 record is there now. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Now,
Yes.
our page nation concept is working or not, guys? Come on.
It's working
Yes,
perfectly.
perfectly working.
Okay, so one more. Let's implement some more concept in the page nation, guys. Okay, so just think about that. Here in the Google, something missing in my point of view, right? Here, what is that? If we are there in the 10th page, but we have need to come like back to back to back to back. So what here? If we are here, right? Like what? If we click on the previous button, just only one step we will come back. You know, if we come, just see this. I'm there on the fifth page, right? I'm clicking on the fifth page. Okay, I'm there on the fifth page, right? If I have need to come on one first page, just think about that. I'm there in the 20th page, right? So then what? First will gone because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 only 10, 10 what? 10 symbol only can show here only at a time, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
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 Ravi.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
Let's give that kind of facility also in our application. If we are there in the 20th page here, if we are there in the 20th page, here we will give one more button, first, and here what last. If the end user want to go direct last page, by clicking on that, end user will go to last page, and here we will give first, right? If end user want, by clicking on the
Yeah.
first, then end user will come directly to first page. You want to see,
First page.
shall we implement these things also in our application? Are you ready now, guys?
Yes, Ravi. We are ready.
Yes, yes, sir.
You people are enjoying the session. Just it's a good session. Just
Nice, Ravi. It's great.
Very
Good.
useful
Yeah.
session.
okay, good.
Yeah, it's great session.
Okay,
Can
good.
be fun.
So fine now, guys. So again, what we will do now? So okay. So let's implement it. Okay. So this is your right. Okay. So now copy this one only. Copy this one same only, right? In the same only. What I'm going to do now here. Paste it. Okay. Paste it. So after then what? Here what? Li class if, right? Page equal to, right? Page equal to the same method. Come in the slice. What is that? Each first method is there.
Each first and each last method is there.
Is last.
Yeah. Each last and what? Each first. Two methods are there, right? Okay. So now come here. Come here. And what we will do now? Page dot has previous, right? Here what? Each first. Is first. Here what is that? First. First. Okay. So now come down. Okay. Here, but here different will be there now, guys. Okay. Here different, little bit different will be there now. Okay, good. So here what is last? Here is last will be there. Anything else? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Here is last will be there, right? Here is last. Here is last. But what is that? Here we have need to do some changes. What is the page size equal to number is there, right? We will take what is the total page size minus what? Total page size minus 1 minus 0. Okay, here we will take what? Total, this one. Okay, this one, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so here last.
Last.
Okay, good. So now come to our application now, right? So here just refresh it. See this last, LAST. Last spelling is correct, right? Last.
Yes.
But here we are not.
Yes, correct.
Here first we are not getting. Yeah, we are getting, guys. See this. If we are there here, what in the third, right? We can come the previous, but what is that something? First, last, but last something wrong is there. Good implementation. See this, but
Last equal.
previous first, right? First, something wrong is there. Because it's coming rotation, right? First, because first is previous is coming directly. No, this is wrong. This is wrong implementation. If page is first, right? It's last. Good. Okay, yes. Okay, so no, actually, this method is showing now. If we are there on the first page, right? The first page, then what happened now, guys? So previous, after then previous is not there. Then what is that? We are there in the first page. It's showing that. Okay, we are there in the first page. Now after then what? After the next. If we are there in the last page, right? Here we are getting the message. Means what that method is representing. Yeah, you are there in the last page, right? Last page. So after then nothing is
Yeah.
there.
Yes, sir.
So you can't go next. Okay, but you can go previous on. And now whenever we will there in the first page, we will get here what first page. You are there in the first page. Okay, so like this we are getting still some modification we can do, guys. Okay, so just think about that. If we are clicking on the next button, right? But here we are there in which page now, guys? Second page, right? See, because 4, 5, 6 record is there, right? One, see this here, one. But here we are not like just if you want to modify in which page you are there, right? So some modification you want to see, still some graphical representation you want. Come on, everyone, like come to Google, right? Come to Google only. So see this, we are there in the fifth page. By seeing this number, we can understand because fifth is a black color. Come on,
Yeah, when we clicking the page, then we have showing different color.
right? So by seeing that one,
Yes, sir.
by seeing that one, we can understand. Okay, we are there in the fifth page. But in our application, we can't say in which page we are there, right? We can say, come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we can
Yes, sir.
see.
We can't say, right?
We can.
We can't say. We can say by seeing this like what numbering. Anybody tell me?
No,
Now
that
we
is not.
cannot see, but want we see how it's showing.
Yeah, but what is that? Don't go bother about that. How it's showing that. Think about that. By seeing this one, we can understand in which page we are there. No,
No.
no, right?
No.
So for that,
No, yes, sir.
if you want to implement those things, let's come here, right? Icons, disable active status, right? Okay, so yeah, see this disable and enable active, right? This is a see this like this symbol means what? If this is like okay, two. If we are there in the two page, let's highlight the two, right? Like this. Are you ready to see this one?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about other guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
I think the
Yes, sir.
people are feeling bored, right? In today's session. Come on, everyone.
No bore.
No, not like that.
No worry.
Because yesterday I know that because if at the time of development only yesterday only if I start to implement right, then the people will not understand. Because of that, I said let's construct the building, then we will beautify our application. So I don't know the people are remember this wording or not. Come on, guys. Why I said
Yes, remember.
because I
Yes,
know that
remember. It's not
because
very early.
because I know that at the time only if I start explaining right, the people will think about that this is the project is going on or something else. Okay, because of that, today I'm explaining this concept, guys. Okay. Practice need, guys. Okay, practice need. Okay, nothing more than this. So what is that? See that active, right? Active is there now. Active. Based on that, what we will do now? Active.
Yes.
But yeah. So come to our application now. Come to our application, and where we will go now? Yeah, here only, right? Now. Open. So in the block, right, this code we wrote, right? Already we completed this code. So what we will do now, inside that one more, again, do one more thing, right? Again, take the block, th colon what block, right? If it's condition, I'm going to write it, guys. Okay, one more block, right? Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys. So see this, okay? Inside that, I'm going to do like what? So I'm going to write what using themeless one if condition, right? If condition. Okay, so what is that? So th colon, right? Th colon what? If condition. If after then what? Open bracket equal to string open curly bracket and close curly bracket. After then what, we will take the dollar symbol here, right? Dollar symbol. Now inside this one, I'm going to write logic. What logic I'm going to write it now, guys? So if I equal to if I equal to if p is equal to is first. I did wrong in the last application because based on our expectation. 1 minute, guys. I have need to analyze it. Okay, something we can do more than else. Actually, just now the concept is came in my mind, guys. Okay, a little bit. I want to break one small break. No, not a session break, guys. I just don't concentrate on this area, right? What is our expectation in the last?
Okay.
What is our expectation in the last application, guys? See this, okay? Just I got, because before explaining this concept, that logic is came in my mind, right? Now come to our application now, guys. So what is that? Just what is that? See this, okay? Oh, 1 minute. Yes, this one, right? Yeah, this one. Not very good. Yeah, next previous, right? So here, what is that? I said that, right? What is our expectation now, guys? I wrote it wrong, right? I said that if we are there in the third page, right? Come on. So here, if we click on the first, right, then suddenly we jump on the first page. This is our explanation was there last time. Come on. But what we are getting whenever we are coming here, right? On the one page, then we are getting first, right?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So now come to our
Yes.
yeah. So actually, so what? See this is first, right? Come on. So
Hmm.
this
Yes.
one this logic we wrote, right? This
Ravi.
means what is that? Page is first, yes is first. Okay, it means what? Page is last, yes is last. But what we will know? What we will not write here? We will write a not symbol. Oh, 1 minute. Here, what we will do now? Not symbol. We will take the not symbol. Then our based on our expectation, what will happen now? Our application will work, guys. Okay, not symbol, and here also take what page not is the last, right? Page not last. Now save the application. Now come to our application. Refresh it. Okay, guys. So see this here last, right? If we want to go to last, just click on that. See 7, 8. We are there on the last or not, guys? Come on. Come on, everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
787.
yes, Ravi. Yes,
Properly.
yes.
Yes.
We are there in the
Sir.
last page. We are there in the last page. Previous also there, but I want to go to first page directly, right? So then we will click on the what? First page. No, 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 something is still wrong.
First,
It's not
not implement.
First,
yeah.
we should get 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
No. So 1 minute. We are there in the first page, right? I want to jump what last page. Now click on that last.
Yes, sir.
We are there in the last page, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That this is
we are there now.
last.
But our expectation is whenever we will click on the first button, directly we will come to, but we are coming to still something wrong.
First page.
Still something wrong with there.
You are
no?
getting second page.
Yes, we are getting the second page now. Na? No problem. We will implement it. Suddenly, see this. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
Ravi, like that is first page means we are getting 4, 5. We should get 0 page. 0 page.
sorry. Yes, yes, correct, correct.
0 means 1.
Yeah. Here,
2,
yeah,
3.
very good analysis, Sudhir, right? So here, what we will do now? Here we will take
Yeah.
what? Here 0 page.
0.
Very nice, very
Zero.
nice. Good,
Exactly, Ravi.
good,
Correct.
good, very good. So now refresh it, okay? So okay, so here what we will do? Last page. I want to go to last page. See this 7, 8 na? Now click on the first page, right? See this 1, 2, 3. We are getting right. Come on,
Yes,
everyone.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Correct.
So
This is what
correct.
we are.
Guys, this is the challenges only.
Yes.
Every time our mind will not work. Okay, suddenly whenever I'm proceeding in the next level, then I got it. What is our expectation and what we are implementing in the project, right? So now, if you go to one page, right? See, we are already there. Now, if you want to go to second, right? We are there in the second page. We can go to previous also. We can go to next also, right? But I want to jump what direct last. So if we click on that 7, 8 record last, we are jumping or not? Come on. But if we are there in the last page,
Yes, Ravi.
if we click on the previous, right, we are there in the third page, right? But we will come to second page. See this second, 4, 5, 6 means what we are there in the second page. But what from the third, right, directly I want to come first page. Now, if we click on that 1, 2, 3, see first page we came, right?
Yes, Ravi. Correct.
Now, if we
Yes,
want,
sir.
if we want to go last page, now click on the last page. If you want to come previous, click on the previous. Click on the previous. If you want to go next, see this. See, next is hiding. After then what? There is nothing data, right? So next also hiding and last also hiding, right? Because after then nothing is there, right?
Correct, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Now, based on our expectation, our application is working, guys. Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
It's see, guys, this is the project, right? And in the project we are not learning the concept because we know that concept. Let's take one example, and in that example we will implement it. This is the project. We will face the challenges also, right, at the development time. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Different scenarios we need to
Yes.
Obviously.
So now our see pagination. See how I'm implementing the pagination. It's working perfect, right?
Yes, Ravi. Working perfectly.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Ravi. Perfect.
Yes, Ravi.
okay,
This is a
so
real-time
now.
scenario.
Yeah, if we are there in the second page, so it should be highlight also, right? It should be highlight. This is our concept, right? So shall we implement that one?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
So now come to our
Yes, yes, please.
So this block is there, right? In this block only we will write the logic again. So here again we will take one more block. PH colon what? Block. PH colon block. Okay, good. So after the next, what we will do now? We will take here if condition. Here we will take the PH colon what? If PH colon if. Okay. After then what? Equal to dollar symbol, open bracket, curly close bracket, right? This is the string. Okay, good. So after the next one is what? Next one is what now, guys? So here we will take the I reference, right? This is the reference I na. So this I equal to if page page dot number, right? If equal, if page number is equal, then what will happen now? Come here, and inside that take this one and paste it, right? Paste it. Okay. After then what we will do now? Then li, right? So come to our
Is active.
right? So in li, what we will do now? Take that active.
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 Yes, active, right? Else, again, what we will do now? Else condition. Copy the same things, okay? Copy the same things here. Else condition. Else, okay? Else here, what we will do now? Here, if not, right? If I not, right? If I not equal to, then what we will do now? Remove this active. Remove this what? Active now. Okay. So good. Now it's completed, guys. Okay. Come to our browser now. Oh, something error? No issue. We will resolve it. Hmm. If pH block, right? pH block is correct. After then pH if condition, dollar symbol I equal to page dot number. What is the error? If pH
Ravi, like how to identify the error? Like it is not showing any line number, no? Like where you are
In
getting that
else
error.
condition, if is
what is
required,
the
yeah, else required.
class path resources template, right? Just read that what is that trace. Abstract method parser, it's not able to parse something, syntax error we did, right? Syntax error we did. Okay, so just because of that I'm analyzing this one. Syntax error just means what? Somewhere I wrote what wrong spelling, that's it. Because the TH block, right? TH block spelling is correct. TH if condition. And this one also correct.
Feelings are okay, Ravi.
Sorry? No conversation found capital for the Java project. Here I, right? I page number. Page number. So page already been taken. Like page is spelling is correct. Number also correct.
Maybe it is showing like caused by. In the page error, it is showing caused by.
Like in our application, some syntax syntax is not showing. That is the problem in our in liquid development. The template product data.html, right? Location. This one is giving the location here. See this here. Oh. Here, right? Not equal to null. This one, right? If you are not equal to number 3, this one, okay, 59 line.
In else condition, th colon if in
No,
place of if else
no.
not.
So see this, read the error. What is the error, right? See, I wrote wrong not symbol, guys. Okay, see this, not not after I not will be there. Here what? It's not able to check boolean, right? But what is that? We know that if condition is taking what boolean only, right? Come on, everyone. When it will become boolean?
Yes.
Here, if I take not, then it will take, right? Come on, everyone.
Yes, sir, we will check.
Second.
Yes.
If
I not equal to.
if condition always taking boolean only, right? Here, what I did syntax mistake.
Yes.
This is now request it. So still problem is there. And what here not equal to, only equal to, right? If we are using what? Come on, how much I'm doing this mistake, guys? Here
Double equal written, one equal remove.
already double equality is returning boolean. After then what?
Yes, yes.
If not, then equal to what is that? Totally syntax is wrong, right? Come on. Total syntax wrong, right? Come
Yes,
on.
sir.
Now syntax is
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, no fun.
now perfect, right? See this, see here. Analyze the error, guys. See this here. What is the problem passing right now? And after then see here.
Maybe can you show the error once?
Sorry.
Double equal to.
Can you show,
We should.
can you show the error?
See this. So the
Okay,
double
okay.
equals to I take.
I not double.
Okay.
Already we are taking not. Then after then
Oh.
in the what is that in the basic core Java also we are not reading like I not equal to like this. There is no syntax only. Think about that. How I read that.
Okay, okay.
Now